Hi guys, have a good day. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Devil's curry, or they call it also curry captain. It's curry because it says it's very spicy. Look at our chicken. Look at that. It's very nice. Our sausages, carrot, roasted pork, chili. Let's in our gravy. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. The chicken and the meat looks so tender. Yeah. Okay, so our ingredients for today is a 1 whole chicken and 1 breast cut into pieces. We need also, so guys, the rest of the ingredients I just write it down. We need 250 grams chili ground. If you want it spicier, then you can add more, okay? And then mustard powder, our mustard seed. Okay, now let's start cutting. We need to cut our roasted pork like that, okay? And then washed our other ingredients and cut like this. Take out the hard part. Slice. Be careful of your hand, guys. Okay, so now we're going to cut our carrot. Cut like less than 1 inch length. And then put it beside the onion. So let's cut our chili, cut into slant. And then our dried sausage, cut in less than 1 inch or so. Take out the skin first before cutting it. This one we sauteed it for quite a while. Just cutting less than 1 inch. Okay, after cutting this, we're going to set it aside and we're going to pound our ginger. Let's pound our ginger and then we're going to add half a tablespoon of our mustard seed. Just half of the portion only, okay? Let's pound it together with our ginger. And let's put that aside. And we're going to blanch our onion, okay, once it's translucent, we're going to set it aside. And we're going to fry our chili. Lower the fire, okay? And then this one no need oil because it will come out oil. Because this one very fast burn. See, look at it, the color is very nice now. Let's fry our roasted pork. Let the oil come out a little bit. Can you see that? Yes, once the oil come out already, we can set that aside. it's ready. Let's put it aside. And then we are going to fry our ginger and mustard seed. Okay. Just use a little bit of oil only because our ingredients got a lot of oil already. So let's fry this until golden brown. Adjust your fire, guys. Then let's put our chili paste. You can add actually more chili paste if you want it more spicy. You can add until like 450 grams. We're still using low fire to avoid burning our paste. Just hit the bottom part. So now we're going to slowly add our chicken. I like to put the skin back to the meat so that once it cooks, the skin is intact. Slowly stir. Okay, we adjust the fire now. Slowly strip the bottom part, guys, to avoid burning. I don't want to waste things, so I add a bit of water here and add into the chicken. Let the chicken change its color, and we're going to add our liquid. Slowly stir and add our carrot. Our chicken very fast to cook, so can add everything. So just add everything that we fried a while ago. Give it a stir, slowly stir. And then our fried sausage, roasted pork. Give it a stir before we simmer it. Cover the simmer for 5 minutes. Add our mustard seed. Okay, simmer for 5 minutes again. We drop in our limau leaves for the fragrance. Okay, after simmering for 5 minutes, let's add in our vinegar. So now we can add in our seasoning, salt and sugar, okay? Add in our mustard powder as well. And let's add in our lime juice. If you want it more gravy, you can add another 250 ml more water, and then you can adjust it accordingly. Give it a stir and cover for 5 more minutes. Okay, you can adjust the taste by adding salt or sugar. So now it's ready. Let's plate it. Actually, if you cook it overnight, it will be more nicer, you know. Look at the carrot, it cooked just nice. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy your devil's curry, or they call that curry captain also. Yummy, yummy. Our finished product of devil's curry. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Happy cooking, guys.